I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping, I've been sipping, that's how I control.
What up, everybody? It's your girl Just Saying, coming back at you with another video of how I got these luscious water wave curls on straight hair. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then stay tuned. Freshly washed hair. I'm going to go ahead and apply conditioner. I use the VO5 just for the weave. Ocean Fresh Renewing Conditioner. And it'll also be better to like part these into sections. And take a wide tooth comb and brush or comb out as you would your regular hair. Okay guys, so this is me finished, conditioned, and into sections braided. So next I'm going to go ahead and blow dry my hair on a low heat setting and also low blow, because I don't want this to be actually like super dry. I want it to still feel wet to the touch, so when I get ready to do the curling process, when I wake up in the morning, it's, you know, intact or stays, it keeps it curl. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this up and start blow drying. Alright, so this is about where I want it to sit in the dry versus wet stage. This is about how wet or damp I want it to be. And this tutorial is supposed to be like heatless curls. So my process is actually after I washed my hair. So that's why I'm using a blow dryer to go ahead and blow it. But when you are doing this heatless curl thing and your hair is already dry, you can just go ahead and take a spray bottle and dampen up the hair and then do the curling method process later on in this tutorial. Okay, so this is my hair in its half dry, damp state. Finished. I'm going to go ahead and push back and lay down my natural edges so I can pull the lace over and go ahead and lay that down. I'll be back. Portion is done. I look kind of dark. Let me see if this is going to affect or change anything. Okay, I should have did that the first time. But edges are laid, lace is laid. Now it's on to the curling process. What I'm gonna do is I think I want to do about 6 in total. So you just split it down to half. That means I have 3 on this side, 3 on that side. And so these are basically very big bantu knots. But if you twist them the right way, and also if you want to do, the larger you want your curls, the larger you want your bantu knot. So the least amount of bantu knots you want to have in the hair, and the more curls or the tighter curls you want to do less bantu knots. I'm gonna brush out the first section. And I like to take my little Via Natural Shea Butter Oil. I just use any type of oil. Do a couple drops because you don't want the weave to get oily. That's never a good thing. Just to add some shine. Put that all over the hair. Brush down again. And the trick for this is to, when you're twisting the band, to twist away from the face. So I'm going to start up here and I'm going to twist away from the face. Do that all the way down. And you can start kind of pulling it up now. And sometimes they might stay up on their own, but I like to bobby pin mine to secure it for its might. That's your first bobby. That's your first band too. And continue the process. So here we are the next morning. It's time for takedown. Let's hope everything is dry. Those set kind of nicely And this one kind of came out. I was sleeping on the side of my head yesterday. So let's see. Hair feels pretty dry. Going to shake them out just a little bit. And of course you can go ahead and style and do your makeup and, you know, look fabulous. When I'm filling this, these actually could have dried just a little bit more. They're a bit still damp, if you know what I mean. Okay guys, I'm back. I just threw on some eyebrows and a little bit of mascara to complete the look, and you know, about to go head out. And also a good tip to remember whenever you're like going to sleep and want to wear the loose curls again, you just want to take the same hair, same sections, and roll it back into bantus, put it back up, and your curls should still remain the same. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later.
My bad for tripping on you. Tripping on you.